My name is Nithya, Assistant Professor, working in Computer Science and Engineering Department in St.Joseph College of Engineering. Today we will see about operators in Java. First we will see what is operator. An operator is used to perform some operations on the variables or values. So, used to perform operations. So, consider the example A plus B. Here, A and B are operands, plus is the operator. So, this is a operator. Next, we will see about various types of operators in Java. So, types of operators. First one is arithmetic operator. Second one, assignment operator. Then third one, bitwise operator. The next one, logical operator. Then next, relative operator. This operator is also known as comparative operator, or we can say comparison operator. The next one, ternary operator. Then next is shift operator. And the last one is unary operator. So, these are the various types of operators. Now, we will see about each operators in detail. First, we will see about arithmetic operator. As the name indicates, this is used to perform various arithmetic operations. The various operations are plus, minus, multiplication, slash and modulus. Now, we will see about plus. Consider the example A plus B. It will add two values of this variable. Let us consider A value is 5 and B value is 5 means 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Then minus A is equal to 7, B is equal to 3 means 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then A value 5, B value 5. A into A equal to 5 into 5, 25. Then 5 slash 5 means this symbol you will get the quotient as the answer. For example, 5 divided by 5, the quotient is 1. Then for modulus, you will get the remainder as the answer. So, 5 divided by 5, the remainder is 0. So, 0 is the answer. This is the arithmetic operator. The next one is assignment operator. As the name indicates, it is used to assign a value to the variable. Assign a value to the variable. For example, a equal to 5 means a is a variable, 5 is a value, and this one is known as assignment operator. So, the 5 will be assigned to the a with the help of this operator. So, this one is known as assignment operator. Then next one, plus equal to. Just consider a plus equal to b. This we can write a is equal to a plus b. Then minus equal to. A minus equal to b means a equal to a minus b. Then as usual, star equal to means a star equal to b means you can write a is equal to a star b. Then slash modulus equal to means a slash modulus equal to b, a equal to a modulus b. Then slash equal to a slash equal to b, a equal to a slash b. So, this is the assignment operator. The assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variables. So, next operator is third one, bitwise operator. The various bitwise operators are AND, OR, negation. So, these are some of the bitwise operator. This will operate on each bit. Let us consider 1. If we do AND operation means this need 2 input. If both are true means the output will be true. True means 1. Any one is false means the output will be false. So, the output will be 0. If suppose I give 1, negation means the output will be 0. And if I give OR operator means both 1 means the output will be true. Suppose if I give 0 and 1 means the output will be true. 1, 0 means the output will be true. Both the output is 0 means the output will be false. This is the OR operator. OR operator means this one. Okay. Then next one is relative operator or otherwise known as comparison operator. So, as the name indicates, this is used to compare the two values. For example, equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. We will consider this one. A equal to B means this will consider whether A value is equal to or B value. For example, A value is 5, B value is 5 means the output is 5 equal to 5. The output is true. Suppose 4 equal to 5, the output is false. Then we will consider not equal to operation. So, A not equal to B. So, A value is 5, not equal to B value is 4 means 5 not equal to 4. The answer is true. Then lesser than or equal to. It will consider A whether less than or equal to B. I will give the values A value 1, B value 3. So, 1 lesser than or equal to 3. So, 1 is less than 3. So, the value is true. Suppose 3 lesser than or equal to 3. 3 is lesser than or equal to. So, the answer is true. Suppose if we give 3 less than 3, For this one, the output is false. So this is the difference. If we give equal to symbol means it will check whether the given number is less than or equal to. But if we give only less than means it will just compare whether lesser than only and will not check for equal to symbol. Then this is greater than or equal to. So A value is 5, greater than or equal to B. So A is greater than B, the output will be true. Suppose my value is greater than or equal to 7. So this equal to symbol will check for whether both value are true. So the answer will be true. Suppose for this one, the output is false because 7 is equal, not greater. So the output will be false. This is the relative operator. The next one, shift operator. As the name indicates, it is used to shift two or more values on the left side or on the right side. So, this will shift two values on the left side and this will be shift on the right side, three values on the left side, three values on the right side. So, this is used to shift the values either on right side or on the left side. Then next one, ternary operator. So, in the ternary operators, question mark and this colon. These two are the ternary operator. Then next operator is the unary operator. The unary operator are plus, minus, plus plus, minus minus. The plus plus indicates increment value. The value will be incremented by 1 and this minus minus is the decrement value. The value will be decremented by 1. Then next this one, A plus means the value will be incremented by 1, that is A equal to A plus A. A minus means the value is minus A or A minus A. So, this is the unary operator. So, next we will write a program by using all the operators. So, we can use calculator program or any other real-time example program for implementing the arithmetic operations or various other types of operations. So, I need to consider two input. So, to perform an operator or perform an operation, I need two variables. My first variable is A and the data type of the A is integer. So, my A value is 10 and my another input is B and the type of the B data type is integer. So, my B value is 5. Now, I am going to use arithmetic operation, assignment operation, relative operation, logical operation on this program. So, first I am going to give A plus B. The value, the output for this sentence will be 15. Then A equal to A plus B, that is assignment operator, the value is 15. Then next A greater than B, the output is true. A greater than or equal to B, the output is true. A lesser than B, the output is false. A lesser than or equal to B, the output is false. then A and B, the output is false. A or B, the output is true. For AND operator, we need only one input. So my A value is 5 means the output will be minus 5. So like this we can develop a program and we can implement by using switch cases, and we can implement the calculator by using the operators program. Inheritance. Inheritance in Java. So first we will see what is about inheritance. Inheritance means it will inherit the properties from the base case. That is, we will consider two cases. One is base class and another one is the derived class. So the derived class will inherit all the properties from the base class. So this is known as inheritance. So first one is base class and second one is derived class. So the derived class will inherit all the properties and behaviors from the base class. This is known as inheritance. So next, types of inheritance. Multiple inheritance, single inheritance, multi-class inheritance, and next one is hybrid inheritance. So we will see example for each of this one. First we will see about single inheritance. We will consider two classes. A, whether A is known as base class and B is the derived class. So A is the base class and B is the derived class. So this is the single inheritance. Then next, multiple inheritance. A base class, B and C are the derived classes. So this one is multiple inheritance. That is, for example, if you want to say means one parent, two children. This is known as multiple inheritance. The next one, multi-class or multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means A is the base class and B is the derived class and the next is the C. This is another derived class. So it will consist two level. This is known as multi-level inheritance. The fourth, hybrid, is the combination of two classes is known as hybrid inheritance. Now we will see example for each of this type. First we will consider single inheritance. I am considering the class animal, For inheritance, we will use the keyword extends. Okay. So, animal. So, all cat, dog, lion, tiger will came under the category animal, but each animal will have different identification. For example, dog will bark, but cat will not bark. Lion roar. So, these are some of the categories, but all animals can eat, all animals can sleep, all animals will walk. So, these are the common categories, but only one difference is one animal will be different from other animal in some configuration. For consider, I will consider dog. So, the various activities of dogs are, it can walk, sleep and eat. These are common characteristics of animals, but which the dog will identify or difference from other is it will bark. Let us consider cat. So, cat also can walk, can sleep, can eat. So, these are common characteristics of animal, and the cat mews. From this only we can identify the dog and the cat. So, as we studied, animal is the base class, and dog is the derived class. This is the single inheritance. Then from this we can go for multiple inheritance. So, in multiple inheritance, the animal is the base class, and dog is one of the derived class, and cat is another derived class. These both are derived class. These both are derived class. This is known as multiple inheritance. The next one, multi-level inheritance. So, multi-level means another level. So, consider animal is the base class and dog is the derived class, and the next generation of the dog is puppy. This is known as another level of derived class. This is the multi-level inheritance. So, this is the inheritance, and we can see another one example. Let us consider the company Honda. The Honda is a general company. They are producing car, bike, etc. So, Honda is a base class. Then car is the derived class, and this is single inheritance. Same Honda, car, and then bike. This is multiple inheritance, Honda. Car. Then we can give any color of the car or any automatic gear, any one specific character of the car. I am giving the color as blue. So, this is another level. This one is multiple inheritance. So, the inheritance will use the keyword extends. What is the benefits of inheritance means? We can create variety of classes from a single class. So, this is the main benefits of inheritance. Next we will see another one important characteristics of Java, data encapsulation. First we will see what is data. Data is known as a piece of information or any kind of small material or anything. So, data is a piece of information. Next we will see what is encapsulation. Encapsulation. For this I am giving one example. Take the example of capsule. Capsule means we will see, you all know, two color will be given for each side and inside two different kinds of medicines will be mixed. This is known as capsule. So, encapsulation means binding one or more details together into a single unit is known as encapsulation. So, binding two different kinds of data into a single unit is known as encapsulation. So, just take this capsule as the example. Next, one more feature is polymorphism. What is poly? Poly means many. Morphism means existing of one character into another is known as morphism. So, existing in many forms or many types is known as polymorphism. So, the examples of polymorphisms are method overloading, then one operator overloading, just these are the examples of polymorphism. So, in this class we seen about some characteristic specific and important characteristics of Java, inheritance, data encapsulation and polymorphism. Thank you.